Hello viewers, today I'll show you how to make samosa pastry. Let's begin. We're going to need 1 cup of plain flour, all-purpose flour, and you're going to need a 1/4 cup of self-raising flour. You mix those two together. Then we're going to need a pinch of salt, just a pinch. Next, we're going to put a tablespoon and a half of oil. Then we're going to put 2/3 cup of water. Now at this stage, you use your hands to knead the flour. Feel free to add a bit of flour if your dough is not getting thick. This is the consistency that we're looking for. Continue kneading your dough. So this is how your dough should look like. Let's form a ball and let our flour rest for about 10 minutes. Now we are making our samosa filling. So here I added some mint. I need to use ground beef. Okay, now we're adding our spices. We've got barbecue spice. And here I've got black pepper. Now it's time to add our onion. Here we've got onion, garlic and green peppers. Now I'm adding some hot curry powder. At this point we can now add our vegetables. You can use any type of vegetables that you like. In this case, I added potato and carrots. Now let's check on our dough. 10 minutes is up. Now our dough is ready. You can see it's a bit stretchy now. This is how we want it to look like. Here I'm flouring my surface. Let's divide our dough into 12 pieces. Let's see. Right. Now we've got our pieces of dough. I'm just making them into small, nice balls so that it's easier for me when I'm rolling them. Right, now we start rolling. Flour our bowls. So here we've got 6 pieces, but they're going to give us 12 samosas. Now we're going to use oil. This is oil. You can use olive oil or sunflower oil to rub onto your dough. Then this is our flour. You dust. Then now we start rolling. Right, now we're done rolling our samosa dough. The next step is we pre-cook the sheets. I'll show you how in a few minutes. So you heat up your non-stick pan. When it's hot, you put your samosa sheets, and let's watch them closely. I'll show you how to separate them. You remember we put 2 sheets together. Now we need to separate the sheets. Now we've cut our samosas. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. And we put them in a plastic so that they don't dry out. Here we're going to make a paste to act as a glue for our samosas. Put about 2 tablespoons of flour and a bit of water to just make it a paste, not too thick. With a bit of water. Just like that. So this is how you hold your samosa sheet. Then this corner comes towards me. Then I put my glue Also put my glue this side. Then I make a cone shape like this. And using the samosa filling we cooked earlier, I fill my samosa, then fold in this side, glue the open side, then we close off our samosa. Let's do it again, one more time. Thank you for watching. This is how our samosas came out. After doing them like this, you fry in hot oil for about 5 minutes or until golden brown.